Let's get into these delicious salmon croquettes. What you need for these meals is some salmon, pink salmon. Look, let's get rid of the cans. Go to the pack. You ain't got to worry about deep all that other stuff. But you need some peppers. I used to have colored peppers, but I only had them peppers and onions. You need your egg. For these 2 packs, I only use 1 egg. You need some breadcrumbs and some flour. So in a bowl, you're going to season it, add the breadcrumbs, add the flour, and add the 1 egg, and go ahead and mix this all up. Now add you some olive oil to give it like a creamy kind of texture, but you go ahead and mix this all together. Then we're going to put flour in some grease. Make sure your grease is piping hot. You don't want to put it in there when it's not hot because it will fall apart. And this is how they came out. Salmon croquettes. You know salmon croquettes, you got to make your rice with it. Yes, that's just how we make our rice. But let's get into the inside of this salmon croquettes. This is how it looks. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And let me know how you make your salmon croquettes.